What's up, YouTubes? How's it going? I am here with a cocktail video, but with kind of a twist. There's a storm going on right now, and I absolutely love this weather, so my windows are up. You can hear the rain and the thunder. Love it. Also, Naruto's playing in the background. If I get copyright claimed, I get copyright claimed. It's not like a huge deal for me because I don't make money off of this. But yeah, so I'm gonna make the aviation, which I already have the pre-made one, and honestly, dry and aromatic aviation crafted with Laros gin. Honestly, I was not too taken with this pre-made cocktail. On the Rocks Premium Cocktails, usually, okay, I shouldn't say usually, they have a pineapple jalapeno margarita, which I bought because I love that one. So when I'm craving a cocktail, I don't have like the patience to make it myself. They have the margarita made with plate, tequila, and triple sec, whatever. It's a jalapeno pineapple margarita, so good. So yeah, so I was like, let's try their aviation, see if it's any good. It was okay, but I'm gonna put their aviation in this glass, the short glass. Yeah, it's okay. Anyway, I found 2 different recipes to try to make an aviation, see if I can make it better. So one says 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of lemon, 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur, and then it didn't say for the creme de violet, so I just did like a 4. So I'm saying like a 1/4 is typically what I saw for the other recipes. Another recipe had 2 ounces of gin, 1/4 ounce of maraschino liqueur, and 1/4 ounce of the creme de violet, and then 1/2 ounce of lemon. So those sound completely different to me, so I'm gonna try them. So for the gin, we're gonna use a good gin, so I know, I know if I like the cocktail itself, and I just don't like this pre-made one or not. But yeah, so I'm using my Hendrick's Amazonian gin, which is getting so low. I'm gonna have to go back to Panama and get some more of this one because it's so good. This is my favorite gin. This is the gin that made me love gin. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this one. I still love it. So maybe I'm cheating a little bit. I have 2 different maraschino liqueurs. So I think I'm gonna use this one. I feel like I see most people use this brand. So yeah, I think this one's from Portugal. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, let's see here. I wonder where this one's from. It doesn't say. It just says it's imported through San Francisco. I wonder where it's from. Oh, product of Italy. Okay. See, and then I do have the creme de violet. I'm saying it totally wrong, probably. Don't really care. Yeah. Lemon juice. I almost forgot. Fresh squeezed lemon juice. How could I forget? Okay. Gosh, I haven't squeezed lemons like this in a while. I used to make fresh made lemonade for my family when I was dating this guy whose family had a lemon tree. And they weren't the Mayer lemons, they were a different kind of lemon, and I don't know what kind they are. And it makes me mad because they make the best lemonade. But yeah, just a little rant for the day. Okay, so I'm getting so much more lemon juice. Squeezing it this way. squeeze 2 to be safe. I think that should be enough. We'll find out. I'm using those muscles. Here, you guys wanna watch? I don't know if you do wanna watch or not. Okay. So we're gonna hope that that's enough. I think it should be. So yeah. So let's not make you guys crooked. Let's not do that. Okay. So, yes, the first recipe is 1/2 ounces of gin. Oh, here it is. We're gonna use both shakers. So, for this one, okay, 1/2. Okay. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then 1/2 ounce maraschino. Don't think this is open yet. Interesting. Yeah, okay. And then you do 1/4 ounce of this, which I don't really have a measurement for that, so we do 1/2 of the 1/2 ounce. Maybe Empress gin would be good for this. Maybe that would be good. Anyway, we're gonna add ice, and you know what? I'm gonna use my mallet. Thank you for sending this to me so I don't stab myself. I appreciate it because I will. I will 100% stab myself. Okay. So we're gonna use the mallet. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that did good. Okay. Here we go. Love it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Love it. Okay. Now we're going to shake. Okay. We're gonna put it in this glass. We gotta remember which glass we put all these in. Oh, my stomach is growling, you guys. I feel like there's so many different colors of the aviation drink because I think some people use Empress gin, which changes colors, more of like a pink. But this is pretty. Oh, it looks a lot more gray. It looks so gray on that camera. But it looks purple in person. Just trust me. You know, trust me, bro. Okay. That's pretty good. You can definitely tell mine's fresh. I will say that. So I like that. Mine, you can definitely tell it's fresh. You can taste a little more of the lemon in it. But it's not like knocking my socks off, you know? Okay, let's try the second one. So this one's 2 ounces of gin. Where's mine? Here we go. 2 ounces. And I remember drinking like 2 of these one time when I was waiting in the airport. But this was also whenever drinking a lot more and shouldn't have been. So just as a little heads up. Okay, for this, okay, that's probably a little too much. And then a fourth of this, which I feel like this one's very overpowering, the creme de violet, and it could just overtake something so easily. And then half ounce of lemon. Okay, get some more ice. Get some more ice to smash. You guys want to see how messy my counter is? Here we go. Oh, yep, I'm getting the hang of it. That was a lot faster. So thank you. I really appreciate it. This is a lot safer for me. Nice big chunks. Plus there's smaller chunks if I want. I dropped that in too fast. There's smaller chunks if I want. I love it. Thank you so much for my little mallet. My little ice crusher. Okay. Oh no, I put lotion on. Okay. Okay, I'm still new at the Boston Shaker. Maybe one hand. That feels kind of wrong. There we go. Okay. Someone's fire alarm's going off because lightning just struck right outside. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is insane. Okay, so this one's gonna be in this glass. Oh, that strained so beautifully. Oh my gosh, y'all spoil me too much. But that's beautiful, oh my goodness. I might like that one the best. Those two are pretty difficult to tell apart. No, that one's definitely better. The second one. 2 ounces of gin, 1/4 ounce of nourishing liqueur, 1/4 ounce of the creme de violet liquor, and then the 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. That's my favorite recipe. And they both beat out that pre-made cocktail. The pre-made cocktail's not bad though. It's not bad. But they both beat it out. Because, you know, you can't really beat a fresh made cocktail. Anyway, I'm going to cut the video here. Everything going on. I'm going to see if anything's going on, if anybody needs any help outside. I will see y'all later. Have a good one. Take care. Bye, YouTube.